New windows can dramatically improve the comfort, appearance, and efficiency of your home, but the quality of the installation makes just as much difference as the quality of the window itself. In East Northport, where weather conditions can shift from cold, windy winters to warm, humid summers, a proper installation ensures that your windows work exactly as they should for years to come. Choosing professional window installation is one of the smartest investments you can make for your property, and the benefits extend far beyond a simple aesthetic upgrade. Precision fit for better energy efficiency. Even a top-rated window can underperform if it's not installed correctly. Professional installers understand how to measure, level, and seal windows so they fit perfectly with no gaps or uneven edges. When the frame is airtight, your home loses less heat in the winter and keeps more cool air inside during the summer. This is especially valuable for East Northport homeowners looking to cut down on rising utility costs. By preventing drafts and eliminating energy waste, a professional installation can help your HVAC system work more efficiently and save you money over time. Improved home comfort is one of the immediate benefits homeowners notice after a professional installation. With drafty windows replaced properly, rooms maintain a more consistent temperature year-round. You'll feel fewer cold spots in the winter and experience a cooler, quieter indoor environment during hot weather. Professional installers also use the proper insulation and sealing techniques to block out outdoor noise, which is a welcome advantage if your home is near busy roads or active neighborhoods. Long-term durability and performance. A window that is installed improperly can lead to water infiltration, frame warping, and premature wear. Over time, this can create serious structural issues or force you to replace the window sooner than expected. Professional installation reduces these risks by ensuring the window is properly anchored, aligned, and weather-sealed. Skilled installers understand the unique demands of East Northport's climate and use the right flashing, sealants, and installation methods to keep your windows performing like new for many years. Increased home value and curb appeal. Curb appeal matters, whether you plan to stay in your home long-term or consider selling in the future. Professionally installed windows give the exterior of your home a clean, polished look. Buyers can tell when windows have been installed by experts, and they value the comfort, energy savings, and reliability that come with them. Updated windows are one of the most attractive features in residential real estate listings, and a professional installation helps ensure your upgrade pays off in resale value. Manufacturer warranty protection. Most high-quality windows come with a manufacturer warranty, but many of those warranties require professional installation to remain valid. If a window is installed incorrectly by a homeowner or an inexperienced contractor, the warranty may be voided. Choosing certified, professional installers in East Northport protects your warranty and gives you peace of mind, knowing you are fully covered in case of a defect or future issue. Time savings and expert craftsmanship. Installing windows on your own can be time-consuming, stressful, and frustrating, especially if you encounter problems along the way. Professional installers bring specialized tools, experience, and training to complete the job efficiently and safely. They handle everything from preparation to cleanup, so you don't have to worry about debris, mistakes, or lingering hassles. This level of reliability is especially valuable for larger projects or full-home window replacements. Safety and proper handling. Windows are heavy, fragile, and often difficult to maneuver. Incorrect handling can lead to broken glass or personal injury. Professional window installers are trained to lift, position, and secure windows safely. They also ensure that locking mechanisms, weather stripping, and balances operate correctly, an important step in both home security and functionality. Investing in professional window installation in East Northport enhances your home's comfort, reduces energy loss, boosts curb appeal, and protects your long-term investment. With experienced installers on the job, you can be confident that your windows will perform beautifully in all weather conditions, giving you lasting value and peace of mind.